it's getting kind of hard right now. Did you see that lightning last night? It was scary. I wonder if you throw a tool in the air, would it get shocked? What is that? Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? More thunder. Do you hear that? I get scared when I hear thunder and lightning.